So I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut oil, vitamin E oil, as well as my flavoring oil from Get Sucker. And I forgot to show in this clip the preservative oil, but make sure you add your preservative oil as well. So for this lip gloss, I'll be using a liquid pigment. It is from TKB Trading, and it is red. I'm not going to say exactly what color it is, but it is red. And I am basically restocking my website on everything that was sold out. So this is one of the glosses that were sold out. I am going to add some Versagel and just start mixing that together. I am going to go ahead and start adding my fruit slices. These are strawberry, and the flavor I did add was strawberry banana. The flavor before that was just strawberry. It wasn't really flavored, it was just scented, so I decided to add flavoring to this one, so it will be a little different, but it's the same lip gloss. Before you start filling the tubes, make sure you shake the tube up a little so the fruit slices can move around instead of having it all to the bottom. Now I'm adding the caps on my lip glosses, and the rest of the video is pretty much the same steps, so enjoy the video.